In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can earn $125 over and over and over again. Now, this is 100% free to get started with. It can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. You don't need any skills for this, you don't need any experience, and you definitely don't need a lot of time. So let's jump into it really quickly and I'll walk you through this whole process step by step. So the first website we're going to need is this one over here, and it's called Clickbank. Now you can sign up to this for free. Once you sign up, you come over here to where it says Marketplace. Now in this example, what I'm going to be sharing with you today, I've found a product over here. I know about this product, it's been on Clickbank for a number of years, but you can use this with any product that we're going to be looking at over on Clickbank. So you can come over here, go to the Marketplace, scroll down, go into any of these different categories or niches here and find a product that you want to promote. Now for this example here, we're going to go with Ted's Woodworking. And click on here and click on search. So you see this product here, it's the highest converting woodworking site on the internet. Now this product here, it's been around for from memory at least 8 years, probably longer. I came across this a few years ago and it's been around for a number of years. But if I click on here, it brings up this page over here. This is the affiliate page for the product. So if we scroll down here, this is the actual product that you'll be earning, and you can see on here, look, you can earn up to $125 per sale with 11% conversions. That's pretty good conversions for a woodworking product. So you can see down here, let's come further on the page here. What is it? So this here is basically, it's 16,000 plans related to woodworking. And if we come further on the page here, the highest converting DIY woodworking product. Now, the other thing as well, look, new plans constantly updated. So they're always adding new plans into this woodworking thing here. It's got some conversion proof on here. It shows you the sales funnel and other bits on here. So reasons to promote this product here is you can earn huge commissions. It's got pretty decent conversions. Rabid fans in a hungry market, so it's a huge market without a doubt. It's a killer offer. It follows up for you as well. So basically, look, you see on here, we have opt-ins for non-buying visitors and we send them follow-up emails to close the sale. You will still get commissions for any sale made via the follow-up email. So with this method, you don't even have to have your own email autoresponder or anything like that. You can literally go ahead, drive traffic to this and they'll follow up on your behalf for you. So it's pretty cool. So let's go back over here really quickly and I'll show you how this works. So over on Clickbank, to promote this product, we click promote and then you click on generate hop link like so. Generate hop link. This down here is our link. So anyone who we send over to this Ted's Woodworking with our link here, we can earn some pretty decent commissions as you've seen. So how do we drive traffic to this? Well, without a doubt, the easiest way of driving traffic and a free version is using this platform over here. And it's Instagram and it's free. So you can literally sign up to Instagram, create an account. In this example, we're going into the woodworking niche, but you can do this in any niche whatsoever. And literally it took me about 2 minutes of doing a bit of research. You can see up here, I just typed in woodworking. Woodworking. Like so, and then I came across this channel here. I checked out a couple of other ones and I found this one here. So you can see so far they've uploaded 1,667 posts and they've got from that 324,000 followers. Is pretty good. So what are they uploading onto Instagram? If we come down here, well literally it looks like they're going over to TikTok, grabbing videos from TikTok and uploading them onto Instagram here. If I come further on the page here, they've just got images, like literally just images and videos. I mean, look at this one here, just different images of woodworking, and this is all they're doing. So let's go up to the top and I'll show you this. So what are they doing up here? Look, woodworking projects, tips and plans, get detailed woodworking plans, check it out. So anyone clicks on here, watch, they'll land on this page here, and then they can click any of these links here. So get access, so click here. And look, Ted's Woodworking, Clickbank. So they're doing this exact method that I am sharing with you today, and it's absolutely free. and it's very simple. So I'm sure some of you might be thinking, well, how do I go ahead and get all of these different images and videos of wood? Really simple again, and it's free. So for this, you can come over to websites like this one over here, and this is Pixabay, but you can also use other websites like Pexels. Just go on Google and just type in free videos, free HD videos to use, free wooden images, whatever basically. But over on Pixabay, I've just typed in wood, and you can see here, look, there's 57,154 free images of wood. So just start on Pixabay and literally work your way through this 57,000. I mean, look at this one here. You could use that one. Come down, you could use this one, this one over here, this one. Basically, anything whereby it looks like the building or creating something. Look, this one. Maybe not that one. This one, etc. I think you get the picture really. But this is genuinely how simple and easy this process is. So step one is we go over onto Instagram, like so, and we create an account for free. Once we've created an account, we then go over onto Clickbank over here. We find products that we want to promote in any category or in any niche. Just go into any of these. If you want to go into say computers, click on here, go and look at some more of these. Come further down the page, look, health and fitness. You can find loads of products that you can market over on Instagram in this one here. Once you've done this and you've got a product that you want to promote, you click on promote, you get your affiliate link. Once you've got your affiliate link, you're nearly ready. Literally, you've got your Instagram account over here, you've got your affiliate link. The next part of this whole process is we'd want to shorten our link, because if I come here, this link here, it's really big and ugly, isn't it? You wouldn't want to just paste that into Instagram as your bio link up here, where this is where you can add a link. So for this, you literally shorten your link. So use a link shortener. So just go on Google and type in link shortener. You'll find hundreds of these. Look, bit.ly, support Google, lots more of these. Look, short URL. Let's see if this one's free. I'm sure it is. Continue to site. What the heck was that? Let me go back. I don't know what was going on with that link shortener there, but look, the easiest one you can use is bit.ly. It's absolutely free to go ahead and do. All you do on here is at the top, you just click on create, paste the long URL into here. So that there is our URL from Clickbank. And then you see here, this is our link. So you can leave it as this link here, or this back half, you can customize it. So on here, you could just type in simple woodworking plans. Oh, don't do what I've just done and leave your caps lock on. So let's try that again. Simple woodworking plans, all one word. Click on save. And look, it's been edited. So now that there would be my link that I would put here on Instagram. And then you go over to different sites like this one over here, like Pixabay, like Pexels, and many more. You download the images. Let me just click on videos as well. Let's have a look at that. Look, for videos, there's 383 videos related to wood on this one website here. So you can go through all of these free stock websites. And then once you've got all of that, you're pretty much good to go with this method. So you've got your Instagram account, you've got your content, you've got your photos, and you've also got your videos. You've got your affiliate link from Clickbank. The next part on your behalf is just going ahead and uploading the content. And you want to make sure that whenever you're uploading any image like this, literally include your hashtags. Now, what I would say to you is, just copy the hashtags from, these accounts here. So for me, if I was doing this example here, I would, grab all of these hashtags here and use them in, my first 2 or 3 posts on Instagram. I'd then come in here and go ahead and grab some more hashtags as well, like these ones here. And again, you can use lots of different free sites. So you can just go on here and just type in Instagram hashtags, like so, and you can come down Instagram hashtags generator. Let's just do that generator. There we go. and then just come in here and literally just use a website like this one, or a free one, any one basically. Let me share another one that I sometimes use, is this one over here. This is called, sorry, that's for YouTube, it's not this one. It is, let me go back and we'll scroll down. The one that I like to use, and this one down here, allhashtag.com. So you see on this one here, type in woodworking, click on generate, and then look at this, best 30 woodworking hashtags. You've got these hashtags here, so you just copy them and you can use them. Go further on the page, look, you've got similar hashtags, and then there's lots more in here. And again, it's absolutely free. So with this method that I've shown you today, what will it take? It literally will take time and effort, but as you've seen, it's free. It's definitely easy, it won't take a lot of time, and you can get this up and running today. So look, that's today's video. If you found it useful, please give the video a like. If you want more ways to make money online, go ahead and check out the links down below. You can go and get my free affiliate marketing course, my free YouTube course, and many more. But look, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.